Chris, Northern Ireland in the quarterfinals. What's your first thoughts on that?
It was going to be someone, you know. It was either them or at one point we thought it might have been Turkey. Whoever's coming out of the hat's coming out of the hat. As far as we're concerned, is we'll do everything that we've been doing, which means concentrating on ourselves. It'll be a tough. There's always going to be a tough game. All the teams here are good teams. Be another close game, no doubt. But no, good. It's a good game to look forward to. But like I say, we'll concentrate on our own game.
It's a huge match. The fans are going to be incredibly excited. What message have you got for everyone back home and everyone out here in France?
Just more of the same. It's the same message off the field, same message on it. It's more of the same. There's always winners and losers. We know that. We've had a little bit of both. But all we can do is go into it with the same conviction, the same heart, determination, imagination, and that's what the fans have been doing as well. The Welsh supporters have been doing the same thing. So it's been an incredibly enjoyable experience. It is an enjoyable experience, and if you can enjoy these moments, then you'll never enjoy it. So it's all to look forward to, all to play for. So let's have a little bit more than what we've had already.